Today we're looking inside the body armor factory to see exactly how bulletproof vests are made and how they stop a high-velocity round.
They're focused on me! Move right! Move right! Suppress that left flank!
This design meets the protection requirement, but the weight optimization is still off.
If we're in the new materials he is testing, we might reduce.
As you can see here, the composite shows excellent resistance at this layer. We should proceed with the stress test.
Our Twaron aramid fiber alternative offers similar properties, European production, and superior protection capability across diverse materials.
The ergonomic design allows for precise adjustment, ensuring the weight is centered and comfortable.
The practical design allows for easy adjustment and a secure attachment, providing reliable fastening and operational convenience.
This is traditional hardened steel. While there is a weight penalty, it offers proven protection and remains highly cost-effective.
From the standard sapphire cut to the swimmer's cut shown here, every design is optimized for specific mission requirements.
Layers. Featuring advanced UHM WPE construction, this plate provides superior multi-hit capability and a
Experience the multi-curve design and multi-dimensional beamforming.
We have the level 4 in ceramic and the level 3 plus in the steel alloy.
The ceramics are exactly what we need. We'll take the 50 units.
We assess specific calibers based on mandated velocities. This threat simulation ensures standardized testing compliance.
The laser scan shows a maximum depth of 38 millimeters.
That meets the acceptance criteria for this material.
Measurement verification is complete on this section. The laser scan confirms acceptance testing parameters are met.
Here is your package, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
This manual provides essential care instructions and cleaning guidance. Please review the storage recommendations, inspections.
Is this snug enough for the waist measurement?
Yes, that feels perfect.
All right, noted. Now let's check the arm.
Reduced protection, weight simulation, cost effective, skill development, operational preparation.
On the line! Steady! Push forward!
This new technology provides superior protection against edged weapons.
The threat matrix guides our selection process, providing you with a clear overview so you can make an informed choice about your protection level.
Make sure the chest buckle is centered and secure. You should hear it click.
Okay, it's tight now.
Excellent. You are properly fitted for use at height.
Breach! Go, go, go! Clear left.
Clear right. Sector secure.
The round is fully intact within the fourth layer.
Confirmed. Logging as evidence item 104-B. Performance verified.
Here's your replacement vest. New plates are secure. Sign here acknowledging the post-incident review.
Thank you, sir. I'm ready.
Based on the real-world performance data, we've enhanced the rotor design. The new iteration shows significantly improved stability.
Our protection statistics show a dramatic reduction in injuries. This data clearly demonstrates the value and justifies the investment.
Unit A, checkpoint 3 reached. Moving to objective. Over.
Make sure the manifests match the shipment before sundown.
How has the aid distribution impacted the village elders?
Security update, we need to expedite our departure.
Cost-benefit analysis, life value, injury prevention, economic justification, investment return, organizational commitment.
I understand the obligation, but the delivery schedule is tight.
The performance guarantee stands. We need your signature now. It's very uncomfortable right here.
This new version is much better. The padding really helps with the pressure.
As you can see, the strength-to-weight ratio is unprecedented.
Impressive. This changes everything for field deployment.
We are ready to begin scaling production immediately.
The biggest myth is that armor was heavy and clunky.
As you can see here, the articulation allowed for incredible flexibility.
We are live from the main distribution point. The situation is stable for now, but the need is immense. Supplies are arriving.
Papa, you're back. I'm here, amigo. Everything is okay now.
This testimony proves the real impact of the protective gear. It allowed me to survive and continue serving the community I love.